Mate, we're getting jump scared, I don't care what you say.
Shock, I should go for something thin looking forward. I'm a bit fucking scared about me, I don't know what you're all about. No deals
The
on.
phone ringing.
Banker. No deal, I'm not taking that. You can
Bro,
fuck.
he said, I can see the fuck.
Oh, where's it? We just. Oh!
Oh,
Don't smash it up because I did no deal, you cunts.
fucking no deal.
Read no, hold on. Retrieve screwdriver, use it to unscrew and open a vent, might lead to an escape. Or danger. Interesting.
Go on then, I'll let you pop through that one.
Oh, we're not going right instead.
Nope. It's just going through this narrow bit where it's gonna.
I've already done no deal.
Look, you're running backwards. I refuse to believe no one's jumping out of them ice buckets. Screwdriver required. Well, that was difficult, wasn't it?